and welcome. It's Gilly Kube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm calling this my haunted canvas. I have truly done maybe 4 pours on this canvas, and each time I either wasn't happy, or after I left it to dry, starting to dry, it started to craze and crack. So I just scraped it off onto my pea pad and took it out and, washed the canvas off and start again. Now I find that I'm here again. I didn't like the last one, so if this does not work on this particular pour now, I am not going there again. I am not doing anything with it. I'm not. It's going in the bin. So wish me luck. Okie doke. I just want to do this. I know it's a crazy thing, sort of to give me an idea where I want my composition. So it's just a bowl, just a one of those picnicky bowls. I've used it quite often to give me circles and things. So there, right, yeah, I want to do, I've done these swipey things and loving the monochrome background. Okie doke, so that's just my normal white. It's in the drop down box, my recipe. This is black Amsterdam paint. This is the black Amsterdam paint with Australian Floetrol. That's heavy. When my husband wants to get in my good books, he buys me that Floetrol. He knows it makes me very happy. So, easy pleased, aren't we? Us acrylic pouring artists, rightio. So I'm sort of I just want the middle bit to be the monochrome. So I'm going to see if I can achieve it. Let's give this a go. So I've put the black there, so I just want to get the monochrome look before I do any more. And there you go. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I want to get that back again. It's not perfectly symmetrical to the, so just want to give me a guide, because I want to keep that monochrome look in the centre. Doesn't matter, I've kind of stuffed up there a bit, but it's just an idea I had in my head, so I'm going to go with it. And I did this kind of spiral pour one day last week, and it was really lovely, blown out, so I'm going to try it again. So that was my Berry Delicious, which is the dark red with a dash of black. What is it? Dark red? I can't even think now. I've gone blank. Oh, phthalo blue. That's it. Dark red phthalo blue. So it's kind of spiraling. That is the phthalo blue. This is Cyan, C-Y-A-N, I think it's spelt blue. So I'm going to keep my blues on the outside. Now this is a turquoise. It might not work, but I had it in my head, so I have to do it. What did I do there? I caught the bottom of the cup on it. Silly Nana. Now this is the dark sea, and it's got a good dash of the pearl mist, which gives it like the iridescent look. That's a bit green, so I want to keep that on the outside. I'm thinking maybe I do want to just do a centre of that around, might be nice. Look what I've done. I'm a Nelly. Anyway, just go with it. Rightio. And so, what colour must this be? I can't even find it. Must be... Oh, turquoise beach. It's a lighter blue. Oh, I think that's enough. Let's see what I can create in this centerpiece. Stuffed up there. Doesn't matter. Does not matter. I wish I hadn't have done that, but you know what? I have, so I would just work it through and hopefully can't cry over spilt milk. I told you that this canvas is cursed. So after today, if this doesn't turn out, I am binning it. It's bin day tomorrow, and I'm gonna give it a binny death tonight and throw it in the bin if it doesn't work out nice. So behave yourself. Right, just for the centre, let me try a thing. Turn it. Ooh. I'm really stuffed up with that. But anyway, I am not going to worry about this cursed canvas. I'm going to get my heat gun now, just give it a whiz over. So the idea being for doing that in the centre was so I didn't have a complete negative space, just white. Because every time I seem to leave a negative space, which is not very often because I have trouble with negative spaces, but I always get somebody saying, oh, you should do something in the centre. So I was thinking of doing something in the centre that isn't too over the top. So that came to mind. Rightio, let's go, Flo. Let's do this thing. Little dryer, mini dryer. We're gonna needs to go up a notch. Wiggle it. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. Happy. That's beautiful. Nice and slow. Now that looks weird because it's gone off to one side. Oh, wow. What do I do? What do I do? Do I blow a balloon up and plonk it in? I think I may. If I'd have left that a bigger negative space, I think it would have worked better. But this is gorgeous. This is the chaos blowout. Well, it's my chaos blowout. It's what I've been calling it anyway. It's a chaos blowout. Oh dear, that's not good to blow up a balloon when you've had a chest infection and not breathing too good. Anyway, rightio, let's try this. I might stuff it up, but I've got to do it on the cursed canvas. That's better. The negative space with that lacing in, perfect if I'd have left it a lot bigger, but because I got overly excited and started to blow it all out, I think that works. I'm just going to plop a little bit of, I'm fighting with this balloon. Sugar. That wasn't me. That was the balloon, honestly. Oh, flipping off, floppers. Okay. Oh, jeez Louise, you would not believe it. Okay, I'm going to pick up a little bit of the blue and I'm going to plop it in there. Oh, there you go. Sweet as sweet. So, I don't really want to do much to this, more to this canvas, because it is cursed, the cursed canvas, which it's not cursed really, it's just that this particular one, I have not had any luck with liking what I've done on it, or liking how it's started to dry, it started to craze, but I think that is probably the best one that I've done on it. So I'm just finger popping the edges, pop, 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 your finger on the very edges, rightio. I will bring you down and have a look at that, and I think that's pretty good compared to my other efforts. Really love the chaos blowout. When you do it all in the same tones, you can't really go wrong with it going muddy unless you put too much black in it. But all those colours are gorgeous, and I know that when you actually give them a coat of whether it be varnish or the pouring resin or a resin top coat, they will just pop. I'm going to bring you down. So here it is. Here's that sweet little kiss in the centre. It's kind of, I think that's fine. I maybe could drag a few lines through there to make it a definition a little bit more. But the blowout, the chaos blowout, is pretty nice. It's gorgeous, I think. So I'm happy with that. So I am just going to see, I've got this camera always, whether it dries well. Has some nice lacing, but not too much. The colours are gorgeous. I love them. Like I said, if this stays and doesn't crack or start to craze, can't think what I added to my paint that I don't normally, or one paint or whatever that made it do that. But anyway, I'm quite happy with that. I like it, so I hope you do too, and I thank you so much for joining me on this crazy day that I'm having today. I must be going a little bit mental today because can't take myself too seriously, can I? So until tomorrow, you lovely people, thanks so much for joining me. I am so appreciative of all you sticky viewers, the ones that sticky, not stinky, sticky, stick with me and watch my videos. And if you're new, join us on this journey. It's always fun, and hopefully I'll bring something different most days, and I'm here every day. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, stay well and bye for now.